Hello. I hope it is as beautiful a day for you all as it is finally here in Berlin. Oh yay. This is a short, fun walking game for those of you who may feel like, oh my god, I'm not getting enough done fast enough, I'm not achieving fast enough, I'm not getting answers fast enough, I'm not pushing forward fast enough. This is particularly something you may be feeling in these uncertain times, but strangely enough, this is something that we also often go through in normal times too. So now is a great time to play this game, and then you can bring it with you back into ordinary life whenever that starts happening. So, if you can do this with bare feet on grass, that's like even better, but do what's available to you, obviously. So you're walking along, and just for a minute, let your mind do its little running hamster thing where you have lots going on and you're like, squirrel, oh my god, so much going on. Like, just let it do that for a minute. And then, over a few breaths, tune into your breath, tune into your body, become aware of your body, get a sense of what all the different parts of your body feel like. You can hear me already being like, oh yeah. Get some of that sense yourself, like, tune into your breath, feel it flowing through your body, and if it's not flowing, like, notice that too and be like, yeah, that's cool, because if you're just cool with it, over time it will flow more and more all the way through your body as you walk left, right, left. If you want to, maybe do a little around and around circle, just getting a sense of what it feels like to balance on all the different parts of your feet and feel what it's like to be a little forward, a little backward, a little side. And then after that swirling around, then find how it feels good and snuggly to be in the middle of all that. Take another little walk, see if the walk feels different. Do another few breaths, see if the breath is more inclined to sort of flow all the way through your body. Maybe now it'll even go all the way into the ground. Ooh. And what can you pull up from the ground into your body? Whew. Fun and games, right? So this is the key part of the game. You're walking along, and here's my feet. Hope you can see my feet. You're walking along, and you think to yourself, with every step, I'm arriving into every step. Every step is the destination unto itself. Every walk is a bazillion teeny tiny little destinations. So instead of freaking out because I'm not, for instance, all the way over there yet, instead I set my sights on literally the next step. Oh, I made it all the way, so fun. Oh, and then the next step. Oh my god, I'm already here, I made it. So if you're feeling like you're not achieving, you're not accomplishing, you're not pushing hard enough, you're not yanging hard enough, you're not solving stuff fast enough, please do this 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes if you're an overachiever like me. And with each step, feel like, aha, I did it, I came into the step, I've arrived. You can look at my feet again. Whoa, another step, made it. So many achievements, and the day is still so young. What could be more wonderful? And if you're a particular overachiever and really place a lot of self-worth in the sense of accomplishing things, I invite you, for every step that you take, to sort of pat yourself mentally on the back, like, I made it, I achieved that goal, I am so all over that, I am so productive. Because if you really legitimately practice taking that moment to kind of gloat and to kind of be in that step, like, aha, I achieved my goal, I can relax for a second before heading to the next one, then that moment of pride, of happiness, of sensing enjoyment, and of relaxing into where you are, fascinatingly enough, sets you up to literally move forward with more ease, more energy, and more clarity and more enjoyment. These are all nice things that we say we long for in life, and then often we strip them away from ourselves. So yeah, do the walking game, feel yourself arriving at each step, be like, oh yeah, I made it, enjoy, be like, hey, I already made it, I already achieved something, we're good here. And then from that place, the next step will come with energy, with peace, with enjoyment, and with so much of less of a sense of, I have to get stuff done. Because look at that, you already did things. So yeah, do that. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And if you like to think of the Lotus Sutra, how do we copy the Lotus Sutra? All of the Buddhists together, one page at a time. So yeah, how do we solve this? How do we move forward? How do we get through the pandemic? How do we get our journeys together? How do we arrive wherever it is we're going? Step by step. So enjoy the steps. And if you want to work with me, message me at jordanadelfeld.com. Good luck, enjoy.